In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Import Wizard in Salesforce. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click on the gear icon on the top right over here. Click on Quick Settings and open up Advanced Setup. So once you've clicked on Advanced Setup, it will take you to the setup page. Scroll down to the bottom and find integrations down here. So click on integrations and you will see Data Import Wizard. Click on Data Import Wizard and wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you will see an Import My Data button. Let's click it again. So here you will see your Import My Data. Click on it and click on Start. Now you will choose what you want to import. So I'll be importing contacts. Click on Next and choose individuals and click on Next. And here I have a CSV file for the data. Click on I have a CSV file and click on Next. Now just click on Upload Files or drop your files. So I have my file right here and click on Next. Once you have uploaded the data, it will match your information to either full or first name. So just choose which field that they correspond to. So for the first name, let's choose in the so we have the first name and the last name right here, and you can choose also the email and the date of birth. And once you're done, just click on Import and wait for it to import your data and click on Done. And that's about it. That's how to use Import Wizard in Salesforce. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.